In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a services section with bookings in the Wix editor. First, open the Wix editor. Log into your Wix account, choose the site you want to work on, and click Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor, your main workspace, where you'll build and design your pages. Give the editor a moment to load so all the tools are available. Next, add a new section for your services. Decide where your service list should live. Many people place it right under the hero banner, so visitors see it immediately. Hover your mouse in that area until you see the Add Section button, usually a big plus icon. Click it, then pick a layout that complements your site's style. A simple grid or a clean block works well because it keeps information easy to scan. Now add the bookings or services element. On the left panel, click Add or Add Elements. In the panel that opens, scroll or use the search bar to find Booking, Bookings, Services, or Appointments. The exact name can vary by template. Locate the service list widget, then drag and drop it into the new section you just created. Position it so it aligns neatly with your existing content. Time to customize the service list. Click the service list to open its settings. Here, you can edit each service's title, description, price, and duration. Keep titles short and clear, and write descriptions that set expectations without overwhelming visitors. If you have pricing, make it transparent and include the duration to reduce back and forth. Add images or icons to help people visually distinguish services. Be sure to turn on the Book or Book Now button so visitors can take action right away. If you offer multiple types of services, organize them into categories like hair, massage, or training. Then open the design section to adjust layout, spacing, fonts, and colors so everything matches your brand. Use a button color that contrasts with the background, and keep spacing consistent for a polished look. Before you publish, preview and test the page. Click Preview the eye icon to see how everything looks on desktop and mobile. Make sure the text is readable, the booking buttons are prominent, and the section flows naturally with the rest of the page. Tap through a service to confirm the booking interface opens correctly and that nothing overlaps or gets cut off on smaller screens. When you're happy, click Publish in the top right. Your services are now live and visitors can browse and book directly from your Wix website using the service list and booking feature. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.